I am Safar and I will teach you the most secret tips of Warzone Mobile. This video is about the special used moves that ranked console players do with the controller. For more videos, subscribe to the channel and write me your opinion. First of all, for these movements, you need to configure these settings. Auto parachute set to off, turn corner assistance set to off, sprint to stand set to on, weapon mount movement exit set to on, weapon exit delay set to shorten, change stance set to split, always sprint is on, slide trigger set to tap, sprint door bash set to on. The things you need as a base for good moves are great sensitivity and perfect HUD. As you can see in my sensitivity video, you should be able to move your aim between multiple targets very quickly. When arranging the HUD, you must think carefully about the tactical sprint and its use, because the most important part of the movements in Warzone Mobile is how to use this button. The basic point inside the professional movement of the controller is called AI, which means hitting the tactical sprint button twice. By hitting this button, your speed will be doubled, but the time is limited, so you can increase your speed by hitting this button twice at the beginning of each movement without spamming. Tick it, and it will make it harder for your enemy to target you. Movement is very important in close gunfights. You must keep in mind that Warzone Mobile is a first-person game, and you must try to use your opponent's blind spots and use any technique to get out of her sight. Another basic professional move in close gunfights is opening and closing the aim. Why? First, with this movement, you can target your opponent much more easily, and if he has a good movement, your aim will still be locked. The second reason is that with this movement, your movement improves, because in fixed aim mode, the range of your movements is limited, and by closing the aim, you can give more range to your movements and dodge the enemy's cartridges more easily. The next point is to use Dolphin dive instead of jump, which gives you a great advantage. For example, when jumping or passing through windows, you can turn back very quickly and hit the enemy or run away faster. This combination of moves, for a while it's great that you are being shot from behind. After being shot with a Dolphin dive and turning 180 degrees, you will drop shot, and it will be difficult for the enemy to follow you. The next point is to use the slide on the stairs. If you go down the stairs normally, the enemy will kill you very easily, but by sliding, you will find a much greater distance and faster to the back of the enemy, and the enemy will lose you. In general, high sensitivity and pressing the button one after the other makes you ready for any warning, and you will never be surprised. But for the combination of movement and your sensitivity to work well, you need to practice a lot. Secret tip: you can move much faster by holding the kill streak.
Get to the target.
دو تاشونو دارم ولی دیدتا